Today, I share with you the easiest moi moi recipe that you should try. Moi moi is a Yoruba food and you will love it. The first thing to do is to clean your moi moi leaves. I just poured some salt into this big bowl of water and I will ensure that the salt dissolves properly before I add my moi moi leaves. Cleaning moi moi leaves is a must because moi moi leaves are dirty and you have to get them properly cleaned before you use them. After this cleaning, you would see how dirty the water is. Another thing you must do is to remove the hard stick in the middle of your moi moi leaves. This makes wrapping your moi moi very easy and stress free. Talking about easy cooking, if you're new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. This is a Nigerian food channel where I post easy Nigerian food recipes that you can easily make from your kitchen. Yes, and I know you have seen this torn leaf and you're wondering how is she going to use this leaf? It is not in perfect condition. Don't worry, you won't always get perfect leaves from the market, but you have to make do with what you get. So I'll show you how I use my torn leaves and my perfect leaves to make moi moi. Moi moi is a delicious beans dish, just like akara, begiri, ewa riro, and many more. It is delicious and you should try it. This is how dirty the water is. I'm going to change this water and get a fresh bowl of clean water. I'll be using this fresh bowl of clean water to wash my moi moi leaves again till I get perfectly clean moi moi leaves. And the way to get that is when your water runs clear. Yes, don't forget to like this video, leave your comment, share this video, and subscribe to this channel. Let me show you the other ingredients. Here are my peppers and onions. I would also be draining my sardine oil into a separate bowl. I'll get another bowl and I'll pour my sardine fishes into that separate bowl. As this video continues, you will see why I did, why I'm doing this. So don't forget to watch this video to the end. Also, let me say this. Moi moi is a traditional Yoruba dish. Yes, and this video I'm going to show you how to make moi moi using moi moi leaves. I'll show you how I make it, how I wrap the moi moi leaves 4 times. And I'm sure that after that you will become a pro at wrapping moi moi leaves. Don't mind me. At this point I had to quickly eat one of the fishes. It was looking too irresistible. Here are my sliced boiled eggs and this is my beans flour. Now let's go on to the next part, which is the blending part. I'm pouring my peppers and my onions into this blender. Now I just added some water. I'll be adding the sardine oil at this time and then I'll add some salt and seasoning before I add my beans flour. You have to follow these steps to make it easy for your blender to blend everything together and to give you a really smooth paste. After blending, I'll show you what my moi moi paste looks like. This is what it looks like. It is super smooth and nice, and the blender also helps me work as a mixer, so no need for too much mixing. I'm pouring my sliced eggs into it and I'm setting up my cooking surface by putting my rack, my sardines, and my moi moi leaves by my side. This is what my moi moi paste looks like. It is watery. Yes, moi moi paste is watery. Now let's wrap the leaves. Here I have my torn leaves. I decided to use torn leaves for the first one. I'm going to double this leaf. Yes, that's how you use torn leaves. You double it and wrap it. Did you see me wrapping it? Yes, I wrapped it 4 times before I crunched the bottom up. If you didn't break off that stick at the beginning, you would not be able to crunch the bottom up. I'll pour my moi moi paste into the cone I made in the middle of the leaves. I'm going to add my egg slice, of course, and then I'll add my sardine. I am already salivating because I know that this moi moi is going to be delicious. Now I'll close my moi moi leaves by pressing it on each side at the middle and crunching it downwards. This is what it looks like. Now let's try it again with a perfect leaf. This is a perfect leaf. It's not on. One, two, okay, one, two, three, and 4. Roll it round, crunch it up, make a cone in the middle, and put your moi moi paste into that cone in the middle. After putting the moi moi paste and egg slice, I'll put my sardine. I'll press the leaf down from the left, from the right, crunch it downwards. Yes, I had to pour that excess out and set it in on my steaming rack. I'm doubling the sleeve again. One, two, 3, 4, roll it around, crunch it up, I would pour my moi moi paste into it again. You can see that this is very easy. You can actually use moi moi leaves like a pro. Honestly, it's not so hard. I'll put my sardine into it, bend it forward, one, okay, again, one, two, crunch it down, and that is it. So this is the last time I'm showing you again with another perfect leaf. This is what it looks like. It's not torn. One, two, let's start again. One, two, three, four, wrap it around, crunch it up. I'll make a cone in the middle. I'll put my moi moi paste in the middle. But okay, let me start again. So you'll see it's one, two, you see, three, four, roll it around, crunch it upward. That's it. Make a cone in the middle. Put the moi moi paste and the egg slice into that cone in the middle. And then I'll add my sardine. Bend it forward, left, right, crunch it down. This is it. It is so easy. I told you this is the easiest moi moi recipe you will try. Yes, this is what my wrapped moi moi looks like. I'll put it on my stove. But first, I want to keep the steam in. So I'm going to cover it with a bag. If you are familiar with roadside moi moi, you will notice that they always cover their moi moi with a sack. This is to keep the steam in and make the moi moi cook really fast. I mean, we all want to manage resources, don't we? So after doing all of this, I'm going to place my steaming rack over a pot of hot water and I'll cook it for 25 to 30 minutes. This is what my delicious moi moi looks like. Don't forget to like this video, leave your comment, share this video, and of course, subscribe to this channel. You know, like I would always say, good food should be enjoyed always. I also have to appreciate you for always watching my videos, for liking my videos and giving it a